Cardano is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Cardano, we are testing these exponential moving averages as resistance. From yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that as long as Cardano can use these levels as support, we do have a strong bullish case scenario. You can see we retested the previous resistance here at that 33-cent level perfectly. We immediately saw that bearish engulfing candle, and now we are trading below, as well as these EMAs are now pushing as well. Ideally, what we're looking for, of course, now is whether or not this 30-cent level is going to hold. But in my opinion, we have tested this level multiple times, and it looks like if we do retest this level with a clean break formation, we could be looking for our overall daily support level to be tested here at 28 cents. Now, the reason why, of course, is why I'm leaning towards this 28-cent level is because this acts as a very strong daily support. You can see on previous price analysis, once Cardano tested this major level at 30 cents, the bulls had a beautiful opportunity to take control of these levels with a nice V-shaped formation. You can see we did have a V-shaped formation, but immediately after we started to retest the exponential moving averages, use them as resistance, and then we had a massive move to the downside. Right now, we are in a very long consolidation point on the 4-hour time frame. So ideally, right now, what we're looking for is that retest around that 30, if not get a nice wick to that 28-cent level. From a bullish case scenario, of course, I mentioned the fact that when you have a massive waterfall effect like this and you start to consolidate, this usually indicates the fact that we are getting ready for another continuation leg towards the downside. Of course, this theory would be invalidated if we can break above this 34-cent level resistance, find it as support, and then a continuation. Right now, Cardano is really just not seeing that bullish pressure come in. You can see that every time we try to take control of these levels, the bears come in with some massive bearish engulfing candles, and then we start retesting major support levels once more. Ideally, right now, what we want to see on the 4-hour is some strong bullish engulfing candles with some continuation on these exponential moving averages like we kind of saw over here. But of course, this was also weekend volume, so we had to be very, very careful looking for those long positions. If we go here on the hourly time frames, you can see that we did have a beautiful bar formation play out almost perfectly. We had that retest confirmation, got that liquidity grab, and then that continuation. And as of right now, we are using this level as resistance and coming down slowly. Of course, ideally, from a bullish case scenario, if we can get above these exponential moving averages and use them as support, there would be some sort of analysis in terms of a bullish case. But right now, guys, things are obviously not looking that well for Cardano overall. Even on the hourly time frames, we are entering into bearish territory, and you can see the only reason right now we are bouncing off these levels is because of the fact that we are oversold on the RSI in terms of the hourly. What I could be expecting here on this formation is a small continuation, grab that liquidity from a wick, and then the final move set to the downside, and then things obviously are going to become much more interesting. If we go here on the daily time frames, you can see we had a very clean retest of these exponential moving averages, a beautiful fake out on the daily. We grabbed that liquidity, and now we are using the exponential moving averages once more and rejecting them on the daily time frames. You guys already know I put much more emphasis on why the daily time frames are more important. So right now, everything is pointing towards the fact that Cardano is ready to make its next leg down, possibly down to the 28 cents, and of course, in terms of a capitulation, over to the 13 cents. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.